So here we have a relation R which is defined on the set of natural numbers as the ordered pair x comma y belonging to the relation R if and only if x plus 3y equals to 12. We need to express R as the set of ordered pairs and hence find its domain and range. Okay, let us begin. So here we have a relationship given by x plus 3y equals to 12. Okay, so let's isolate y from here. So y is going to be equals to 12 minus x whole divided by 3. Now we're going to take some values of x here. So if we choose x to be equals to 1, then in that case y is going to give us a fractional value. So y is going to be equals to 11 over 3. Now clearly this does not belong to the set of natural numbers. So there is no point of picking x to be equals to 1. Next, if we choose x to be equals to 2, an even number, then we see here that y is going to be equals to 10 over 3. Again, this is not a number that belongs to the set of natural numbers. So we cannot consider x to be equals to 2. Then if we choose x to be equals to 3, now what we have, then in this case, we have y equals to 9 over 3. So 12 minus 3, that's 9. 9 divided by 3, that's going to be 3. But definitely 3 is a element that belongs to the set of natural numbers. So here, x equals to 3, it's a valid value that we have chosen here because choosing x equals to 3 gave us y equals to 3, which is also a natural number. So here clearly we have a relation 3R3. So this 3 corresponds to the value x and the 3 to the right of R corresponds to y value. So 3R3 is a relationship here. Then we cannot choose y equals to 4 because that will be 8 over 3 again, a fractional value. Then if we choose y to be equals to 5, so that's 7 over 3, does not make sense. Then if we choose x to be equals to 6, then in that case we have 12 minus 6, which is 6. 6 divided by 3, so that's going to be equals to 2. So y will be 2. So that also belongs to the set of natural number. So we clearly have a relation 6R2. Fine. So what about x equals to 7 and x equals to 8? That's not going to work. But if we choose x to be equals to 9, then in that case we have y equals to 1, which belongs to the set of natural number. That means we have one more relation, 9R1. Fine. Now any values greater than 9 and greater than 12, that's not going to work. So here we have obtained 3 relation between the elements of x and y. So that means if x is 3, then y must be equals to 3. For x plus 3y equals to 12 to whole. Then we have 6R2. That means if x is 6, then y must be equals to 2. If x equals to 9, then y must be equals to 1. So now that we have these 3 relations, we can define the relation R. So R is simply the ordered pair. So 3R3, this relation can be converted into an ordered pair as 3, 3. Then we have 6R2, so that is going to correspond to the ordered pair 6, 2, and 9R1 will be simply 9, 1. So here we have obtained the relation R. Now that we have the relation R, let's also find out the domain as well as the range. So what is the domain of the relation R? All you have to do is pick up the first element of each of the 3 ordered pairs. So the first element are 3, 6, and 9. So that is going to be the domain of the relation R. What about the range? The range of the relation R, that is simply going to be the second element of each of the ordered pairs. So those elements are 1, 2, and 3. So we have successfully obtained the domain and range now, and we have also expressed the relation R as an ordered pair, where we have R defined on natural numbers as the ordered pair x, y belonging to R if and only if x plus 3y equals to 12.